Now I'd like to show you how to install the smart door lock. Now you need to connect these two cables together. Then load the battery. Input the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. Then input asterisk pound.
Enter master information.
Input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound.
Successful. Select the number key for the next step.
Then select 4, 4, 4, and 1 to set the mode. Then you launch your app and click this. Add device. Find the device. Use.
Successful.
Now we find the door lock, as you can see here. Then quit. Now we need to enable the remote control of the door lock. Click here. Set device management. Then find the door lock we just added. Here. Click. Set enable remote control. Input password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confirm. Then save the setting. Then the remote control of the door lock has been enabled. We'll try to see if quit. You see, the door lock have been added. Click. Input the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then unlock the door. You see, unlocked. Okay, that's it.